next thing we're going to do is go through how to create a new folder and then how to upload files to the particular folder. So at the moment we're in meeting minutes, so I want to create my new folder at the number 1 level. So if I select my folders, I push the create new tab. Here I have options to create a new document, presentation, spreadsheet, form, drawing, but on this occasion I'm going to choose a new folder. If I select that, there's a slight bug in the system here where you seem to input the text onto the onto the pane behind rather than the forward pane. So I'm going to call this Idiot's Guide. Click enter and close this down. Now you can see here Idiot's Guide folders appeared at the bottom. You can do silly things like add colours to the various folders afterwards. And now what I want to do is upload some of these video files to the particular folder. I can click upload. Then if I scroll down, I can select the destination folder. So I want it to go into the Idiot's Guide. Click OK. Select file to upload. On this occasion, I think I want to upload I said Gmail setup. Let's click that. Now it's quite important when you're uploading these files, these two options here. This can be a useful tool, convert PDF or images into Google Docs documents. So that essentially turns PDFs into text, which can be quite useful. In this instance it doesn't really matter. The other thing that's quite useful is converting documents presentations into Google Docs format. Now if it's things such as plain text, I would advise go ahead and do this. If you've got a heavily styled document where you've messed around with headers and footers and put images and things in there, I would advise not to. Then it just saves it into a folder in its native format. So if you've got a Word document with lots of styling in, you untick that and it will load it up as a Word document, and when you download it, it will still be a Word document. So let's start the upload. Okay, once the file is finished uploading, it'll have a little tick next to it, and you've got the option to upload more files. You can view the file, or we can simply return back to the document. So there's one area where perhaps Google Docs may be slightly clunky, in the sense that you can, once you've uploaded the files, you then have to place it into your folder structure. So if I tick this now, select folders, it's already done. It is already in Idiot's Guide. So I apply the changes and it's there. So when I select ISED09, it comes up with the ISED09 files. I select Idiot's Guide, it comes up with the Idiot's Guide file. Here's an example of where Google Docs really can be quite neat. If we go to the example before where we select the meeting minutes, and let's open one of the files. Instead of downloading this file and then putting it into attachment of an email and then sending it to someone having different versions floating around, you simply copy the link and then insert that into an email. And then if they have the right permissions, they can go straight into this document. Now for all of us on the program committee, we can just log in and access these files anyway. But if you'd like someone from outside the program committee to be able to access them, you have to change the permission settings. So we can select this, click share and share settings. Now what, like the reviewer's document, what I tend to do is to change this and to allow anyone on the web to access it and edit it. You can allow anyone to access it by selecting this one and allow them to edit it by selecting that. Now if I push save, you could send the link to anybody and they'd be able to access the document and then edit it. On this occasion I won't bother. Okay.